Hello everyone, my name is Rishi Beri and I head the sales for Exponentia.ai at Middle East. With me is Davide Pelosi, everybody knows him. He heads the pre-sales for MEA region at Qlik. It's been a great experience in the last season of Summer AI Exchange. We are back with season 2 now, where we'll be talking about the platform behind the real-time enterprise decisions. And today we'll be discussing about getting the data in real-time integration and CDC. So let me start where every real project starts, not with the dashboard, but with the data. In almost every engagement we run at Exponentia, the hardest part is never the front end. It's getting the data out of the system where it's actually trapped. The core banking platforms, the ERP, or the 20 years old database that still runs the businesses for the organization. For years, the answer was the overnight batch job, right? Everyone worked off yesterday's picture. That was fine when the decisions were made weekly. It isn't fine now because every decision has to be taken every second. So, Davide, my question to you is very simple but very important. When enterprises says real-time data, what do you or what does they actually demand at the integration layer?
So, Rishi, thank you for being here today as well. So yes, so you're touching a very important point. So it demands a fundamentally different philosophy at today. Right now, AI is completely reshaping our priorities, so we have to keep this in mind. The real question we have to answer is, what data is the AI actually using to build its reasoning and take actions? In that context, yesterday's data just isn't good enough anymore. Now, real-time technologies like change data capture aren't new, we know this, but today they deserve a new spotlight. With change data capture, we are listening directly to the source system's transactions log and capturing only what changed, the new order, for example, or the updated balance, the exact millisecond it happens. You get fresh data continuously with virtually zero load on the source system and without waiting for a nightly batch. That is exactly the exact philosophy behind the Qlik Talent Cloud and our hybrid offering. We are talking about streaming changes in near real time from hundreds of sources, where that's legacy mainstream SAP or Oracle or even modern cloud applications. And crucially, the platform builds and maintains those pipelines automatically, so you don't need an army of engineers writing custom code. The principle is simple. Data should move at the speed of the business without breaking the systems the business runs on.
No, absolutely right. And I think this is exactly where two worlds meet. Qlik gives us the absolute fantastic engine, but every enterprises we walk into has its own version of difficult. An undocumented source, a regulators who says data can't leave the country, a core systems nobody is allowed to touch, and that's the part that Exponential solves. So technology removes the heavy lifting, and the partners like us removes the friction. When we get both right, the business gets the fresh data, and just as importantly, the teams running the core systems stop seeing analytics as a threat to their uptime. That trust is what everybody else in this whole episode was actually built upon. So thank you so much for your insights, Davide. I really appreciate your time.
Thanks to you.